So here we go. Finally in hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And today we'll be unboxing it and we'll see what we like about it and get our first impressions. So let's talk. All right, so the day of reckoning is here. I've had some mock-ups of this device and we finally got it in hand and we can see what it actually feels like. Now, I'm hoping I can just pull this up because it does not want to come out and I don't want to drop it. There we go. It was in there real tight. Now, I did opt for the blue version, but it's more of like a silver. That's really what it is. It's not blue at all. It is really silver and shiny. So strike number one. That's what I'm gonna say, because I expected more of a light blue phone and this is what we get. So if you were looking at getting that blue, it's more of a shiny silver on the back. Typically we put a case on it, and this year I may be rocking without the case. Now let's see what else we got in here. Of course, you know, we got the goodie bag in here, or the goodie box, should I say. Your normal SIM stuff, USB type C to C. I think at this point in the game, we really don't even need to open all this stuff up because it's the same stuff all the time. They're not giving us anything new. So we'll put all that to the side. Box is very minimalistic as usual. And there we go. Now, I really can't show you a comparison of the S24 and 25 side by side because I'm recording on the 24 right now. But I'll tell you what, we are going to take this sticker off. I always take that little sticker off with the QR code. But it feels real nice and slippery, very slick to the touch. So just keep that in mind. Machine buttons on the side, titanium color all the way around. Everything matches up, looks nice down bottom. The pen, still like a gray color. So this is a grayish silver more so than a blue. Like, I know they average, and let me make sure they sent the right one. Because it should have the color on the box somewhere. Here we go. Silver blue. So titanium silver blue. And it's more so silver than blue. Just letting y'all know up front. So if you do go for this one, just know it's gonna be a silver phone. Everything looks good. Same old, same old. We got to turn it on, of course, get all the information dropped in, and then we'll see what it's looking like. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get a screen protector on it because I do not want to damage this $1,000 display. I'll get some camera protectors on it as well, and we'll see what kind of cases we're gonna be slapping on this. But we will be using it. We will be talking about it in future videos just to see how this stacks up and if it's worth the upgrade, which I'm gonna tell you right now. If you got the 24, keep the 24, don't go to the 25. But if you got something like the 20 or the 22, we're gonna see if it's worth the upgrade. So just a quick unboxing. First impressions, I like it. Feels really nice in the hand, but it is very slick and slippery. And the color is not what I expected. But we'll actually see how the phone stacks up and see how these features work and how this new operating system is looking. So until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.